Your smartphone is more powerful than most computers from a decade ago. And in 2026, Android devices have become portable cybersecurity labs. Today, ethical hackers and security researchers use advanced Android apps for network analysis, penetration testing, packet inspection, OSINT, and vulnerability assessment, directly from their phones. In this video, I'll show you 14 powerful Android hacking apps every cybersecurity enthusiast should know in 2026. This video is strictly for educational and ethical security research purposes only. Number 1. Termux. Termux transforms your Android phone into a Linux terminal environment. It allows users to install security tools, run Python scripts, perform network analysis, and even use penetration testing frameworks directly on Android. For many ethical hackers, Termux is the foundation of mobile cybersecurity testing. Number 2. Wireshark for Android alternatives like PCA-Pdroid. Packet analysis is critical in cybersecurity. PCA-Pdroid helps users capture and inspect network traffic directly from Android devices without root access. It's incredibly useful for analyzing suspicious connections and understanding how applications communicate online. Number 3. Nmap. Nmap remains one of the most respected network scanning tools in cybersecurity. Using Android ports or Termux installations, security researchers can scan networks, discover open ports, identify running services, and detect potential vulnerabilities directly from a smartphone. Number 4. NetHunter. Kali NetHunter is one of the most powerful mobile penetration testing platforms ever created. Developed by the team behind Kali Linux, it provides advanced security testing capabilities including wireless analysis, hit attacks, and penetration testing tools optimized for Android devices. Number 5. Fing. Fing is a powerful network analysis application that helps users discover devices connected to a network. It can identify suspicious devices, scan ports, analyze network security, and troubleshoot connectivity issues with an easy-to-use interface. Number 6. Xanti. Xanti is a mobile penetration testing toolkit designed for security professionals. It helps assess network vulnerabilities, simulate attacks in authorized environments, and identify weak points in connected devices. Number 7. CSPLOIT. CSPLOIT is a network security toolkit for Android focused on penetration testing and network analysis. It includes tools for host discovery, fingerprinting, service analysis, and vulnerability assessment in controlled environments. Number 8. Packet capture. Packet capture allows users to monitor and inspect HTTPS and HTTP traffic from Android applications. This is especially useful for developers and security researchers analyzing app behavior and encrypted communication. Number 9. Droid Sheep alternatives and session analysis tools. Modern cybersecurity researchers use secure session analysis tools to understand authentication weaknesses and network risks. These applications help demonstrate why secure encryption and HTTPS are essential for protecting user sessions. Number 10. WPS WPA Tester. This app is used to analyze Wi-Fi security configurations and identify weak router setups. It helps users verify whether their own wireless networks are vulnerable to common configuration issues. Number 11. OSINT Toolkit Apps. Many Android apps now specialize in open-source intelligence gathering, including username tracking, metadata analysis, and domain intelligence collection. OSINT has become one of the most valuable skills in modern cybersecurity investigations. Number 12. Hackoday. Hackoday combines multiple reconnaissance and security testing utilities into a single Android application. It includes DNS tools, WHOIS lookups, traceroute functions, and network diagnostics useful for cybersecurity learning and testing. Number 13, Burp Suite Remote Testing Setup. Many ethical hackers now connect Android devices with Burp Suite environments for mobile application security testing. This allows researchers to inspect requests, analyze APIs, and identify application vulnerabilities during authorized assessments. And finally, number 14, Android Exploit Lab Environments. Modern cybersecurity training apps now simulate vulnerable environments where students can safely practice exploitation and security testing techniques without targeting real systems. These labs are becoming essential for learning ethical hacking responsibly. Now here's the reality: having powerful tools does not make someone a hacker. Real cybersecurity professionals understand networking, operating systems, programming, and ethical responsibility. These tools are designed for learning, authorized testing, and improving security, not illegal activity. Because in 2026, mobile cybersecurity knowledge is becoming more important than ever.